Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Python Programming. आज जो टॉपिक्स है इट्स न्यू टॉपिक लूप्स इन पाइथन. लूप्स इन पाइथन एक्चुअली लूप होता क्या है, पहले हम लोग इसके बारे में समझेंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट हम लोग लूप से क्या कर सकते हैं एंड बेसिक प्रोग्राम्स टू एडवांस लेवल्स हम लोग स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसीड करेंगे. ओके, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ व्हाट इज लूप. लूप क्या होता है एंड लूप एक्चुअली कैसे काम करता है. तो लूप इज यूज्ड to execute a block of statement repeatedly until a given condition is satisfied. And when the condition becomes false, the line immediately after the loop in the program is executed. तो लूप हम लोग बेसिकली क्यों इस्तेमाल करते हैं? अगर ग्रुप ऑफ स्टेटमेंट को हम लोगों को रिपीटेडली एग्जीक्यूट करना होता है तो हम लोग लूप यूज करते हैं, सो दैट वी डोंट हैव टू राइट सेम थिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. एंड कब तक ये एग्जीक्यूट करेगा? जब तक हम लोग कोई कंडीशन मेंशन कर देते हैं एंड वो कंडीशन जब तक सेटिस्फाई रहता है तो ग्रुप ऑफ स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट करते रहता है. सो व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ लूप वी यूज्ड इन पाइथन? देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ लूप्स वी यूज्ड इन पाइथन, while loop and for loop. Now let us try to understand what is while loop. Okay, so while loop basically a type of loop. It's a entry control loop because the condition, ये loop तभी एग्जीक्यूट करता है जब इसका कंडीशन ट्रू रहता है. जब तक ये इसका कंडीशन ट्रू रहता है तभी ये एग्जीक्यूट करता है. तो while loop, a loop used for iterating over a sequence. Sequence means क्या होता है? In Python, sequence हम लोग बोलते हैं list, tuple और dictionary और strings को. These are the different topics that will come later as our lessons आगे बढ़ते जाएगा तो हम लोग एक एक करके सभी को समझेंगे. तो उन लोगों को एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए हम लोग लूप यूज करते हैं बेसिकली. while लूप एक कीवर्ड से स्टार्ट किया जाता है जिसको हम लोग while बोलते हैं, WHILE in the small case, and it is used to repeat a group of statement repeatedly till a particular condition is true. Okay, now come to the first programs. हम लोग अपना फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम्स पे आते हैं. तो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द प्रोग्राम जस्ट आई वांट टू से वन एंड टू थिंग्स कि हम लोग इससे पहले भी पाइथन का लेसन्स दे चुके हैं एंड विल गिव आफ्टर दैट आल्सो. पूरा पाइथन कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं हम लोग. एंड जो भी हम लोग पढ़ा रहे हैं यहाँ पे उसका जो सोर्स कोड है, यू विल गेट द सोर्स कोड फ्रॉम द डिस्क्रिप्शन सेक्शंस. आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा. अगर कुछ भी डाउट होगा रिगार्डिंग द ट्यूटोरियल्स तो प्लीज डू कमेंट्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शंस. तो हम लोगों को पता चलेगा आप लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं एंड कुछ इम्प्रूव करना है तो भी हम लोग इम्प्रूव कर सकेंगे. कोई डाउट होगा कोई भी प्रोग्राम से, उसका क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए, वो भी हम लोग दे देंगे. ठीक है. एंड अगर आप लोगों को लगता है कि कुछ भी हेल्पफुल है ये ट्यूटोरियल तो ट्राई टू शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड अदर्स सो दैट others also get benefited from it. And whenever we will upload this kind of videos you will get the notification also. Okay, now let's start the first programs. हम लोग जो पहला प्रोग्राम करने वाले हैं that is printing the first 10 natural numbers up to 10 using a while loop. Today's topic is while loop. Okay, तो हम लोग एक ऐसा प्रोसेस निकालेंगे जो ऑटोमेटिकली 1 से लेकर 10 तक हर एक नंबर को प्रिंट करेगा. So first I is 1. Here the starting value of variable I is 1 integer. This is the condition I less than equal to 10. तो ये लूप और ये लूप कितना बार एग्जीक्यूट करेगा? 10 times till the value of I is less than or equal to 10. It will execute a group of statement. What are the statement it will execute? These are the two statements inside the while loop. If the condition is satisfied, it will print first 1 like this. I is 1 less than equal to 10, condition satisfied, so it is printing 1. Then I will become 2. When it will 2, it will again check whether 2 is less than 10 or not. If 2 is less than 10, it will come inside the body of the loop and it will print 2. Then I will become 3 again, it will become 3, and जब 3 हो जाएगा it will again go top of the loop, जाके ये चेक करेगा whether value of I is less than equal to 10 or not. If it is less than 10, as 3 is less than 10, so the condition is true, it will come inside the loop and it will print 3. In this way it will execute for 10 times. When I will become 10, it will also print 10 because 10 is less than equal to 10. After that, when the I will become 11, after printing 10, I will become 11 and the condition will become false and it will not execute anymore further. Okay. So now I just delete this output and try to execute the loop again. Because I am running the program first time, so it may take some times. Invalid syntax. Why it's showing invalid syntax? Because this must be kept in the comments. I cannot write like this, so I just put a comment over there, and I should put a comment here also. Okay. Now, as you see that when I execute the loop, it is printing all the natural number from 1 to 10. Okay. Now, if you want, you can omit these comments, but I like to keep it for your study purpose. Okay. Next programs. Now the next program is printing all the even numbers. Now next program is to print all the even numbers using while loop up to n. N means the number that will be given by the user. It is up to, not u2. Some mistakes I have made. It's up to n. Okay. So here user will enter the limit, how much numbers you want to print. Then starting value of I is 2. So I is starting with the 2. That is the first even number. If 2 is less than equal to n, so say for example I have taken n as 10. So 2 is less than equal to n, less than 10. So it will first print 2. Okay, and I want to print it in the same line. So I'll give a keyword like n equal to double quotation open, double quotation close, and between that I like to put a comma so that all the values will be printed in the single line and they will be separated by a comma. So first will be 2, then I will become 4, I equal to I plus 2, it will become 4. Again it will go top of the loop as 4 is also less than 10. 4 मेरा 10 से छोटा है, right? 4 is less than 10, so it will print 4 again. After printing a comma, it will print 4. Then again I will become plus 2, I will be incremented by plus 2, so I will become 6. So the next value of I will become 6, and which is also less than 10 or equal to, so it will print 6 now. So I just want to put a something, yes. So less than equal to 10 and it will print 6. In this way it will be goes on like this. When I will become 10, the condition will again satisfy. 10 is not less than but equal to 10. So it will come inside the loop and it will print 10. It will print 10 like this. After this it will be 12. When I will become 12, when I will become 12, 12 is no more less than 10. So it will, condition is false and it will not print again, or it will stop executing the loop once the condition is remain false. Okay. So let me run the program again and check whether it's working or not. Try to execute and see what will be the output. Say I am giving 10. Say 2, 4, 8, 6, 10. Okay. So students, if you think you have understood or if you think it is helpful, please try to share and subscribe the channel. Next programs. Printing all the even numbers, sum of all the print. even numbers. The last one is printing all the even numbers up to n, and this one is sum of all the even numbers. Okay, so just no need to bother about it. Okay, I'll just run the program again and try to check. Say I'm giving 10, so it will calculate sum of all the even numbers up to 10. Sum of all the even numbers eventually 30 if we calculate. So next start the programs and try to find out how it is working. Now assume that the value of n I have entered as 10. If value of n or the limit is 10, then what will be the sum? Sum will become, because value of I, what is the starting value of I? I is first 2. Okay, I am writing here so that you can understand, students. 2 is less than 10, right? 2 less than 10. So it will come inside and it will calculate 0 plus 2. The sum will become 2. Right? Again I will become 4. It will not come out from the loop because condition is satisfied. Till the condition is satisfied, this block will be executed. These two lines inside the loop will be executed till value of I is 10. Okay, so I is now 4. Again 4 is not less than 10. 4 is less than 10. Sorry. So it will again go inside and calculate plus 4. 2 plus 4 it will be 6. Next I will become 6. In this way, I hope you have understood how the loop is working. After each iteration it will be incremented by 2. Okay, plus 2, 6. If it will become 6 plus 6. So after this it will become 8. So here we have to plus also 8 because value of I is now 8. So what is the sum now? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Now after this I will become 10, and once I is 10, it is still less than equal to 10 because value of n is also 10. Condition is still satisfied, so it will again come inside the loop and it will add it with the sum. So 10. After this I will become 12. When I will become the 12, it will not execute further. It will come out the loop and it will show this statement. After coming out from the loop, once the condition will be printed, condition is false, it will come out the loop and it will execute the statement which is outside this one. So it will print 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 10 30. So it will print as 30 if my limit is 10. Okay, so let me see again. Say I am giving 8 now. Is 20. So we have to deduct 10 from 20 because last value we did not include. So that is the results. Okay. Next one. And students, everyone, whatever we are learning today, all the source code will be provided in the description section. Link will be given. Please download the source code from the description section also. Okay. And this is the last program for the today. And after that I will give a homework for you. Try to do it, and if you have any kind of problem regarding the homework, please try to comment in the comment section. We will solve all those problems. What is the problem of this one? We have to count and print the total number of digits from a number. Okay, how many digits have in a number? Like if I entered 123, 123 has 3 digits, right? It has 3 digits, right? So like 1 2 2 3 has how many digits it has? It has 4 digits. Right? So let me work with the 1 2 2 3 or 1 2 3. Say the number that I am entering is 1 2 3. Instead of 1 2 2 3, I'm just writing 1 2 3. I can enter anything whatever I want. So the output must be 123 is 3-digit number. Like, now how it is working? Let me execute the program and try to see how it is working. If the value of n is 123, which is already written, 123 is greater than 0, it comes inside the loop, n equal to n double divided by 10. What is double division? Double division operator is called a float division to extract the integer part from the quotient only. Okay, it will not take a fractional part. It will only take the integer part. So if we divide 123 by 10, we will get integer part as 12. And the c will become 1 because initial value of the c is 0. Now c is become 1. After this, n is now 12, and these two lines will execute till value of n is greater than 0. So it will not go outside the loop. After the first iteration, it will go again top of the loop and check whether n is greater than 0 or not. Now the new value of n is 12, which is greater than 0. The condition satisfied, and it will come inside and it will again execute n equal to n double divided by 10. So 12 double divided by 10 is 1. And now c will again execute it and it will increment it by 1. So c will become 2 now. After this again it will go top of the loop and check what is the new value of n. Is it condition satisfied? Is the condition is satisfied? Yes, the new value of n is 1. 1 is still greater than 0. So condition is satisfied. Now n will be divided by 10 because 1 n equal to n divided by 10 means 1 divided by 10 is 0. Now the quotient finally 0. C is now 3 because last value of C was 2. Now it is incremented to 3. After this execution, it will again go to the top of the loop and check whether n is still greater than 0. Now the condition is false. N is now 0. As we can see, the last value of n is 0. So it will not execute further. It will come outside the loop and it will print the total number of digits C as 3. Now try to execute the programs. Suppose I am giving 123. It's a 3-digit number. Now try to again execute the programs. So if you like, please subscribe and comments in the comment section for any kind of doubt. Okay. It's a 4-digit number. So I hope you have understood the programs. Any kind of queries, please do write in the comment sections. Okay. And the next topic will again continue with the while loop with some more programs. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.